Hey guys, it's Katie here, and today I want to show you how to set up an affiliate program with Kartra. A lot of you guys possibly know about this, that it's possible to set up your own affiliate program for your product that you're selling or planning on selling with Kartra. But some of you guys probably don't know that it's possible. So I wanted to let you guys know that it is possible to set up an affiliate program, your own affiliate program with Kartra, where you have a product that you want to sell or that you're selling, and you want other affiliates to promote your product and get a commission for that. So let's go ahead and I'll show you really quick how to set up that affiliate program and what you can do with this program that Kartra has for us here or allows us to create. So I am currently in one of my products that I am working on launching. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you inside of the product setup how to set it up. So the first thing that you would do, obviously you would need to have your own product already set up within Kartra. What I mean by having your own product is I personally have a membership site under my membership sites or my memberships here where I set up my course that I'm going to be selling. And the next thing, after you've set up your membership site here, you would go to my products and you would actually set up the whole, setup process that people will, that allows people to purchase your membership. So I'm just going to go ahead and edit this one here for you guys and show you where you would set up your affiliate product for this or affiliate program for this product here. So I'm going to go ahead and click edit and edit product and next. And then we'll just scroll down. As you can see, there's different steps here that you will need to do in order to have this product completely set up. If you can see red, if one of your steps is red like that, that means you didn't finish setting it up. So you have to make sure all of them are set up before your product is completely set up. So let's go ahead and just go to the affiliate section here. I've already set up all these steps, but obviously you'd need to set up and go through these steps in this product setup process. So here is our affiliates step right here, and what you're going to do is you will have to click change on your screen. Mine is already set up here, as you can see, but if yours is not set up, you would have to click change, and you would have to put in, how much you want to pay out your affiliates. So I have 3 different pricing options here. Ignore the 5 and 6 here because I was testing out different pricing options and I removed, the other 3. But I just have 3 different pricing options, and for each pricing option, I will have to put how much I want the affiliates to get from each one of these options. So from this one, I want them to get 20% commission. You can also say that you want a fixed amount. So let's say you want to give, if somebody sells your $5,000 product, for example, you want to pay out, $1,000 as a commission to them. So you can do it fixed amount or percentage. I just chose percentage, and as far as affiliates will get, and JV brokers will get 10%. JV broker is someone who finds other affiliates for you, so those affiliates would promote your product. A lot of times I work with just affiliates. So, and then affiliate commission tier 1, I also have a tier 1 commission tier, and I also put 20%. You don't have to have this if you choose not to have that. I've actually was just testing this out, so I'm gonna go ahead and just remove this and just leave it as this. The affiliate will get 20% from the as commission as a commission if they sell my product at the first price point. So, and then I go to the next price point, and this one, as you can see, it's 2 installments. And how much do you or do I want to pay out on the first one? I also said 20% on the first one, and then on the second one, I said that it's going to be 20% as well. So, and then the third price point, you would have to, obviously do it for every single price point that you have. So your affiliates will get some type of commission for, every price point that they sell your product at. So for this specific one, I said 50%. This is just my the course that I'm selling. I'm not going to be doing coaching or anything for these clients. These two are included with my coaching. So I decided to pay out just 20% because, I will have to spend the time and coach these people within, the next 3 months. So this one is just my access to my course. So I'm okay with giving someone 50% commission if they sell my course to their followers or to their audience. So I'm gonna go ahead and click save once I'm done with setting these things up. And then you can also have an affiliate program on opt-in, which means you can actually pay out a commission to those affiliates who are just getting an opt-in for you. So if they, drive traffic and send in you leads, you can also have them get paid for these leads. It's up to you if you want to have a program like that. But I just wanted to mention that the Kartra does allow you to do that, to pay your affiliates for leads as well. So let's just go ahead and click save. And then here you would need to create a list for, just create a list. If you don't have a list yet, go ahead and click create a new list for the affiliates and for your JV brokers if you're going to have any. And then just click save to make sure all of your affiliates and you have their information, because it'd be great for you to have them, to have that list in the future. For example, you wanted to release more courses, more products, and you want the same affiliates to promote these products. You can just simply send them an email and say, I'm releasing this new course. If you want to promote this course as well, I think it'll convert great as well. If you want to promote it, here's a link, where you would join an affiliate program for that course, and just invite them to promote the other course that you're going to be selling. So as well as tag your affiliates, I like to also put a tag on those leads, on all of my leads actually. So I created tags for the affiliates and for JV brokers because, for just organizational purposes, like if I want to send out an email or create some type of automation for this specific tag for these leads, I can just add the tag there and create an automation for everyone who's tagged with these tags here. Payment milestone is where you would actually set, how soon you want the commissions to be paid out. So with this specific course, I don't have any money back guarantee. So I just said, release 100% of total earned commissions within 7 days after the transaction calendar date. So, the commissions will be released to those affiliates that made the sales in 7 days. I don't want them to wait too long. And I know, there's no money back or anything that I need to think about. So I just want to release the commissions and get, pay out to my affiliates for the sales that they've made sooner than later. Obviously, if you have a 14-day money back guarantee or a 30-day money back guarantee, you would have to say something like release the commissions after 14 days or after 30 days, because you don't want to release them, in case, someone decides to cancel and get the money back within these days, but you already paid it out to your affiliate. You don't want to, have the money be coming back to you from the affiliate if someone cancels. So just make sure you just set it up the way that you would like to set up here, and think about if you have a money back guarantee or not. Here you put a landing page link for your affiliate traffic. It can be a landing page here where you just get the information. If you're paying out to your affiliates for leads, you will obviously need to have a landing page where the traffic would go and you would be getting the leads from that page. You could also just put sales page here. So if you want all the traffic to go directly to the sales page, you'll just click and choose to have it all go to the sales page. This is where you would change or update how you want your affiliate sign up page to look. So for now, I have default affiliate sign up page here. You can do that, or you can also overlay a pop-up window on your site where affiliate can join. So I just set default for now, and let's just go ahead and click save. You can also create your own page by using a great looking template, or create it from scratch how you would like your own affiliate page to look. And you would go to my pages and just do it here, and then just connect the button to the checkout or to the affiliate sign up. So you can create a fancy affiliate sign up page as well, and then just connect the affiliate sign up link, where I will actually show you where you can find that. So let's click save and next. And that's it. That's all the process that you'll do here. To find your affiliate link to sign up, I will go ahead and show you really quick where you would find that. So you would just go ahead and go to the products, the main My Products section here. Find the product that you're working on and go ahead and click Affiliates. And here is a link to your affiliate page. So you'll just copy that. And then again, as I mentioned, if you want to create your own affiliate page, you would go through My Pages, and then you would copy this link here and just link it to the button on that page. Or you can simply just grab this link here, and whoever wants to become an affiliate, you would just give this link to them. So I'll just go ahead and show you really quick. This is just a simple affiliate sign up page right here. So they can just click affiliate sign up and become an affiliate of your product if you want to keep things simple. But if you like something fancy, like a nice affiliate sign up page, you can actually create it in My Pages here. So in order to check or to see your affiliates, you simply go to affiliates and then click on affiliates here. You can also go to settings here and make sure everything is set up here properly the way you want it. I have it set up manual approval, so I will manually approve every affiliate request before their affiliate link becomes available. And if you want to change that, you simply click here and change it. Also, PayPal instant payments. Here I said instant payments will only be activated for those affiliates you manually select. So if I know I trust that affiliate, I can send out instant payments to them. And then product specific versus account wide. I have affiliate will only receive credit for the specific product the link refers to. You can change this to affiliate will receive credit regardless of what product the visitor buys. So it's up to you. I just chose product by product, and then there is a minimum amount of sales. I don't have any minimum amount of sales set, but you can do that before the payment is released. And then require the W-9 or the other form. I will actually turn this on. I want to require these forms here because it's important for PayPal and for everything, for all the payments to go through. It's important to have that form, for them to have these forms filled out. So I will require this and I'll click save. And you can also make sure they are going by the rules, and if you have a lot of affiliates promoting your things, I would definitely recommend you to create terms and conditions and just paste it here for the affiliates to agree, so they wouldn't, spam or wouldn't do anything that you don't want them to do when they are promoting your product. I will just leave it as a no for now, but I do want to definitely create a terms and conditions for affiliates in the future. So you can also require them to fill out a questionnaire if you want to go over the questions and answers that they will provide to you before approving an affiliate. You can create a questionnaire for them, and you can actually, that way it'll give you a better idea of who you are allowing to promote your products and who you don't want to allow to promote your products. So this is definitely a great option here as well. Something that I personally would do sometime soon here. To see analytics, you would go to analytics, and under sales, you'll see all the sales that are going through. Under affiliates, you will actually see which affiliates selling, exactly how many products, and in total how much money you've made by, having your affiliates sell your products. And the transactions, you can actually see all the transactions that have been happening. So that's all for this video. Hope it kind of gave you an idea of how to set up your own affiliate program. And it's definitely great to have your own affiliate program because, not only you are putting in your efforts to promote your products, but you have all these other people and affiliates who are putting in their effort and their money maybe into advertising and promoting your things. And it's not just your effort, but a whole group of people are promoting your product. So it's definitely worth it. Set it up if you haven't yet. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and comment below if you have specific questions about this setup or about anything else on how to set something up within Kartra. I would love to help you out with the questions that you have, or the things that you need to set up within Kartra. Also subscribe if you haven't yet. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family here, and I'd love to see you in my next video. One more thing, I do want to mention that I offer coaching and I offer done for you services as well. So if you need something set up within Kartra, or you need help with putting together maybe your course, your membership site, set all these things up, your sales funnel, or even copywriting, I also offer that as well. Go ahead and go to katielendel.com, my website, and go to coaching if you're interested in coaching, and just learn all about it. And then if you're interested in done for you services, for example, you want just someone to build things out for you, go ahead and check out my services here. From there, you can fill out a quick questionnaire and we can jump on a 30-minute call with you and discuss the details of your project and estimates and things like that. All right, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.